Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm back. Like, yeah, after installing something like happened, it wasn't working. So I just simply restarted once again. And here is the file. Yes. Block out the basic structure quickly. Now it's working. Cheekbones are slightly high. Okay, just block out the landmark areas like nose, ears, and all these things. So first, like PCB, you can see clearly forehead. It's quite prominent. Cheekbones are like very prominent. For lips, little volume, add. For jaw, this muscle, it's start from the behind the neck, behind your jawline, and straight the neck.
So, can you show how to create creature is alpha? Like, if you want to create alpha is for creature.
Like what alpha you want to create? Tell me.
वो जो स्केल होता है ना,
हाँ.
वो creatures का मतलब ड्रैगन के जैसे वही ड्रैगन का, डायनासोर का
Hmm.
या एलिफेंट का जो लेदर टाइप वो जो होता है वो कैसे बनाते हैं?
वो तो अल्फा, दैट्स अल्फा. तो वो बनाना नहीं पड़ता.
How
दैट
to
इज
create?
हाउ टू क्रिएट. ओके, सो
I want to make
Also
that
there
drag
right now.
rectangle.
okay, like scale works differently and the skin detail works differently. Scale, we have to model it, and the skin detail we need to have extracted from the texture.
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ
नहीं मतलब I want to make my base mesh in ZBrush, and when I'm done with it, I just want to create that texture, like वो थोड़ा depth वो जो होता है ना, skin details. I want to make that using those alphas. Like I want
हाँ
to drag and make that. तो वो specifically if I want a specific alpha of my own, how to make
हम्म,
that, like Photoshop में वो बना के generate करते हैं ना.
हाँ exactly. So what you want, based on that we can create. Like let's see, suppose you want scales, right? Photoshop, let me open Photoshop. Or you can, if you want a leather or skin of like a elephant or something, so we can search for elephant good resolution photo, and then we can use it. We like extract the texture from that and then use it and generate it. Let's see, let me a second. I'll open it. Photoshop. 1K by 1K. So if I want to create scales, so what I'll do is I'll just simply use pen tool, path, or maybe shape. White background will be full black. Shape. Oh, bad. Merge both of them. Okay. There's a slight distance issue, so I'll just why this black is visible. Okay. So I want to create this and I want this thing slightly, like this section should be slightly pointed. New layer, clip into this, black, soft brush. If I want, I can use symmetry also. So black goes inside and white is protruding outside. blur it. Merge. And now if I want some like lines or something, I can add those things also. So I created this shape and now merge it. Control J and just blur this thing slightly. Slightly blur so that you don't have like really sharp and uh, sharp lines. Okay. Save it, then save, desktop, alpha. It can be any design, anything, any pattern. And I want to use this. Let's see. I go to sphere and polymesh 3D. Subdivide multiple times. Drag rectangle. Use standard brush. Desktop, alpha. So we can create this alpha directly. It can be anything that I can use extract from suppose elephant. Let me send. Let me open Google Chrome.
सर ये तो आप दिखा दिए लाइक इफ यू वांट अ कस्टम शेप बट फॉर एग्जांपल एलिफेंट स्किन का वो जो हाई क्वालिटी डिटेल्स होता है वो जो चेक्स पैटर्न है वो कैसे मतलब हाउ टू एक्सट्रैक्ट दैट फ्रॉम अ फोटो
Okay, 1 second.
like YouTube में I see so many people they make like base mesh बनाते हैं and then they have this own pack वो लोग फिर they sell it but how do they own like वो लोग खुद कैसे बनाते हैं that brushes
So like something like this you want to generate, right? So find a high quality texture, like a really good like resolution image. And you can see there's a seamless skin. There's already a lot of alphas and things are already readily available. But still you want to create something. So let's see, this is what I want to create. This is a really small image. Like this one, suppose I want to use this one. Copy this image. Photoshop. Okay, this is I listed it here. Control Shift U, make it black and white, and all these things I can remove from with stamp and all, or maybe
तो कैसे किया desaturate control shift U
Control Shift U desaturate किया.
okay
Desaturate किया. So now I want all these lines and everything. So easiest way to get rid of this tones and everything, go to image, adjustment, you can see shadow and highlights. Apply this. So shadow, you want to reduce. You can reduce this. Highlights, you can reduce. You can see almost becomes similar tone. show more options. There you have more options here. Tones. This tone is not doing much. So almost you can see or this that high contrast variation is gone. And after this, I can just take a duplicate, filter, other, high pass. High pass will remove any tone information. It will make it flat. And all these things so we can remove from stamping and all that is separate. You can see all the stones, everything is gone. And this one also directly I can use. This is for less volume, this is for more volume. So I can use both of them. And like for using this, I need to make sure the corners are gray, 50% gray, which is like 128.
canvas भी square होना होगा ना?
Doesn't matter alpha के लिए.
Oh.
So it's like preferable if you use a square this thing, but like it doesn't matter. You can use rectangular shape also for alpha. So if I save this, let's see, desktop, another alpha, override this, and so now here I can see it's like way too dense and way too noisy. Right, undo, alpha, modify, surface. Corners are kind of nice. You can see it become automatically blur and it's like little too intense. So intensity I can reduce. Still I feel it's intense. So what I'll do is it's too much white basically. So if I use this one, so let's Control J, Shift Control U. Make it slightly dark, similar tone. See? And rest everything I can control in layer if I use a layer. This is what we're going to use this time. Like we'll create all this skin detail and everything, and then control with the help of layers. And after doing this, usually what we do is like after creating all this detail, now we need to add volumes. We do it manually.
So, for example, do people make these details on a Dynamesh model, or do they do it on a high poly Z-remeshed model, like with a good topology?
High poly Z-remeshed model. Reason for adding all this detail, you need even distribution of polygon. Otherwise, it will become very difficult. And Dynamesh, there are some limitations. Dynamesh, like especially eyes, nose, lips, it's very difficult to add details in those areas. So we would remesh the model and do it.
बट काफी लोग जैसे हमको लगता है नहीं करते हैं, लाइक वो लोग जब अपना टाइम लैप्स वीडियो डालते हैं, आई डोंट सी देम डूइंग अ जी रीमेश और समथिंग लाइक दैट. वो लोग का हाई क्वालिटी डायनामेश में भी ऐसा सेम रिजल्ट आ सकता है क्या?
बिल्कुल आ सकता है. डिपेंड्स कि हाउ मेनी सब डिविजन योर सिस्टम कैन हैंडल.
Okay, if the poly count is in millions, it doesn't matter or what?
Yes, if poly count in millions, like 4-5 millions, it doesn't matter.
अच्छा, okay. Because Dynamesh का जो squares होता है, that is also equal only, right?
Yes, that is also equal, but like topology wise is not correct. So if you have correct topology, detailing becomes easy.
Right. Okay. Okay.
So Abhi, let's see, where is my reference? Clay buildup. Move brush. Move it slightly less round, more straight.
Sir, have you ever used Marvelous Designer?
Yes.
क्या यूज आपने?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल.
वो बेसिकली क्लॉथ के लिए होता है ना?
Cross simulation. Yes.
सिमुलेशन अभी इसमें भी आ गया कि ZBrush में पहले से ही था?
नहीं नहीं अभी आया है इसी साल से.
Okay.
Build BDS.
Sir, did you look at that option? वो जो डायनामिक सब डिव में जो है ना,
हम्म.
वो क्लॉथ का क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
कपड़ा का डिटेल के लिए वो बहुत अच्छा बनाया है.
पपाया? What?
नहीं, when you go to geometry and then there is a dynamic subdivision, right?
हाँ. Yes.
वहाँ पे there is an option, no, new option आया ना for cloth, like dynamic subdivision में जाओ, हाँ वो
हाँ.
नीचे this micro poly,
हाँ micropolis already it was there already previously
oh, it
also.
was there.
हाँ.
Yeah, I like that feature. वो cloth के लिए ही है क्या?
नहीं नहीं वो क्लॉथ के लिए, स्केल्स के लिए, लाइक एनी रेपिटेटिव पैटर्न, बेसिकली एनी रेपिटेटिव पैटर्न के लिए वो काम करता है. BDS. Move brush, little more space. Dynamic again. Damn standard. It's like I'm using damn standard in add. I'm holding alt, adding this volume. Dynamic again. So here you can see it's like really narrow perspective. It's really narrow. B and B. That horn.
Sir, do you have any reference on?
Yes. This one. That reference only.
Is it Loki or what?
I know it's some, I don't know, some character from Art Station. Loki looks entirely different.
I thought Loki also had his own crown, no?
Sorry. Dynamic again. CP. So initially start with symmetry only. That is volume, forehead, temporal bone,
So for example, if we are making Donald Duck, okay, his
Hmm.
eyes are like oval है ना, तो उसमें हम लोग sphere कैसे डालेंगे?
नहीं, तो डोनाल्ड डक के केस में वो ओवल ही होगा वो. Like Donald Duck is entirely different. Like it's not at all realistic. So it will.
हाँ, but आई सॉकेट मतलब जो आई का जो बाहर वाला पार्ट होता है वो
हाँ.
sphere होता है ना हमेशा.
हाँ, बट नहीं, उस केस में वो ओवल होगा, वो उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते
अच्छा.
डोनाल्ड डक का. Bones are really prominent. Right, those volume, and this part is connected with the cheekbone muscle. It goes under this.
So for example, you are in this stage. For example, you can say कि body count बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है and you're not able to control. So how will you go back? Like lower the poly count.
How will?
Dynamesh कम करेंगे तो details चला जाएगा.
नहीं, dynamic detail चला जाएगा, तो this detail we can retain. So for this, in this case, suppose I want to reduce the poly count. So what I'll do, I'll duplicate the model. Control Shift do. Control
Projection
Shift D.
करना होगा.
Yes. इसको करके then I'll use remesh on this one model. Symmetry is on. Z remesher 5000. Remesh the model.
So symmetry is on.
Yes.
So it will be replicated.
Yes. It will be symmetrical model. Perfect.
After Z remeshing, you will Dynamesh.
Yes.
क्योंकि
No. Once you read Z remesh, no going back to Dynamesh.
अरे पर सर हम रेडी नहीं है, मतलब आई एम नॉट रेडी विद माय फाइनल शेप. आई जस्ट वांट टू गो बैक, यू नो. मतलब ये अभी जो स्टेज में थे आप, वो बहुत ज्यादा डेंस था पॉलीगॉन, इसलिए.
हाँ, तो उसके लिए what you have to do, Control D now, project everything. So you have low poly version and high poly version both. So Control D one more time, the new this thing. Again project back.
ये तो ठीक है.
तो पूरा डिटेल आ जाएगा. So one more right 0.1. Okay, I'll project everything. Project. Huh. So project, you can see it snaps perfectly with the this Dynamesh model. So it looks like that only. But I have all the subdivision level now. So if I want, I can go back up and down. So I don't have to Dynamesh it again. Right? I have this division, so I can always go down, work on it, again come up. So it's become easy.
बट फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव टू स्टिल डू मेजर फेस चेंजेस, तब आपको तो लाइक डायनामिक्स करना ही पड़ेगा ना, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा
जरूर
हूँ।
नहीं, आई कैन रीमेश इट अगेन ना, आई कैन रीमेश इट
लाइक
अगेन।
अभी आपको जैसे फेस में गड्ढा करना है तो आप क्या करोगे?
मैं इसी पे काम करूंगा।
जीरो मेश मॉडल पे, मतलब
हाँ
दिस है ना कि डोंट वर्क ऑन लाइक जीरो मेश मॉडल में यू कैन नॉट डू मेजर फेस चेंजेस लाइक मेजर
हाँ
चेंजेस, इसलिए।
हाँ, तो दैट्स व्हाट, लाइक फर्स्ट ब्लॉक आउट एवरीथिंग, उसके बाद ही उसको यू हैव टू रिमेश, बिफोर दैट ओनली डायनामेश।
दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग, योर डायनामेश इज टू डेंस, यू आर नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल, इसलिए मेरे को थोड़ा पीछे जाना है, डायनामेश।
तो उसका देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन टू प्रोजेक्ट इट ओनली। आफ्टर प्रोजेक्शन यू कैन डायनामेश द मॉडल वंस अगेन एंड मेक श्योर व्हाइल डायनामेशिंग ये वैल्यू रिड्यूस द रेजोल्यूशन।
हाँ
इसकी
हाँ
वजह से
समझ गया।
हाई हाई और लो होता है, सो मेक
हाँ
श्योर।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके ओके।
Ears are missing, so we can see that I can block out really quickly. And for eyes, again, I need sphere, append sphere.
सर जीब्रेश का तो स्फीयर इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल, नो, उसका तो ऐसा बनता ही नहीं है स्फीयर, लाइक व्हाट।
Z sphere.
अच्छा
Talking
होता
about
है क्या?
Z sphere is different.
तो वो
कौन सा वाला sphere you're talking about? ये
लाइक
वाला
माया
sphere
में जो एक्चुअल स्फीयर होता है वो तो जीब्रश में है नहीं ना।
है, बिल्कुल है। What you want to do? Tell me.
नहीं मतलब जो जो टॉप में वो जब सब ऊपर जाके सब वर्टिसेस मीट करते हैं ना, वो तो ऐसा
हाँ
अच्छा
तो
है क्या?
हाँ तो ये वही वही है, ये तो वही वही है।
अच्छा ये तो वही है, सॉरी सर।
Tara spheres is same. Only polygon more or lesser. Like you can increase. This is also I can modify. Na. Like suppose you want to modify any sphere, click on the model and go to a sphere,
इनिशियलाइज।
initialize and reduce it. So you can like excuse me, can reduce, make it low poly. Like this, you can definitely control it.
ओके ओके।
And then उसके बाद इसको append कर लो.
हम्म।
Shift, hold and rotate 90 degree. Place it here and this character eye size slightly smaller as compared to the body, like it's not human, so it's, let's create this eye now. BDS, position is not correct, should somewhere here. Now if this thing is not correct, BDS, this volume is way too much, so shift DDD, go down, push it inside, D, slightly increase so that I can define the shape, D again, and this one's supposed to go off above this. PCB pre-build-up. I'll add selective volume here.
सर जो हाई क्वालिटी डिटेल्स होता है, like you were carving out this thing no below the eye.
Hmm.
We should always do this in Z-mesh model, right?
Yes.
Like after we are done with the basic shape, then we will touch all this.
Yes. Well, once your basic blocking is ready, then it's that time you only add all these detail. So before that, no detailing at all.
Yeah, okay.
PCB. This I need to refine nicely. Control D one more time and make sure this eyelid line and all this thing is super clean. Define the shape very nicely. So eyes, this thickness is very important. This gap is very important. So make sure add this. Otherwise, no matter what you do, it won't look realistic. You see, eye and this eye tier BCD. I can just add this volume here. That eye tier gland, and this part goes inside, and this particular character. So this eyeball, now I can make it symmetry. It's like it's not very difficult. You can do it like very easily. It's just matter of practice. I reduce because I need to fix the neck and all. Neck should be like quite broad. BCB. Yeah, like just like this. See my file. This part is slightly way too like sharp, so I need to make it a little subtle. BCB. Fill those gaps. Ears. So for ears, I'll be using this default ears available in ZBrush. Where is my insert body parts? You can see all these ears and everything is there. You can select this. And for this, I need to duplicate my model and solo the model. Geometry divide, delete lower and high. Otherwise, like this insert mesh won't work. So ear shape is between nose and ear, eye, exactly same. Slightly back, just where wherever your jaw ends, from there it starts. DMV. Fill those gaps.
So you will have to dynamize this, no?
Yes, I have to dynamize this. This is I should like before Ramesh, I should have added all this thing.
So मतलब basically अभी थोड़ा time लगेगा, but we can achieve that. You will like you have to just make a copy of it and project.
Project everything. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
this we can just like dynamesh at a higher resolution and remesh it instead of projecting and going on.
The projection is required because no matter what you do, if you dynamize it, you will lose some detail.
Even at higher quality, like
Even if higher this thing, because dynamize in higher this thing, you will lose like it will be super heavy. So if what I'll do is I'll keep it like normal division only and dynamize the model and project it back to my remeshed model. So I'll get all the information, everything, and the loops will be easy. So sculpting will become easy because it will, because especially eyes and lips, if your loops are not correct, If it's Dynamesh, it won't work very nicely. It will give like you can see if you zoom in, it creates this kind of weird pinch. So if you have proper topology there, like correct, at least the flow is correct, we'll get this detail very easily. So that's why anyways you have to remesh. So we have to remesh. So it doesn't matter like high poly, Dynamesh, remesh doesn't matter. Because as long as you have model is high poly and you have all the information which is required in your high poly, so that is it doesn't matter. Because what traditionally what we do for blocking purpose, we use Dynamesh, like entire mesh, including your ears, eyes, nose, lips, everything. We create the basic shape, Dynamesh the model. After that we just simply remesh the model. So once Dynamesh blocking is done, I'm about to add volume or detail or something. That time I remesh the model and start adding all the details. So I don't have to go back to Dynamesh once again. So here I just did it like quickly. That's why. So like traditionally I should have like fixed all these things, then Dynamesh. And this is a quite pointy, which I'll use pinch BPI. So, and this I don't have this model I don't want. So what I'll do, Control Shift, click on the body, it's gone. And now I'll go to geometry. Where is my modify topology? Delete it. And so now you can see it's part of my this model. So you can see the eyes basic blocking is ready. Nose I need to refine it a little bit more. Lips and all these things I need to refine it more, because I can see it's a little bumpy here. So BMV. Slightly flat. Slightly flat. Round but flat. Much better. You can see promise fair. So within like maybe within max to max hour, I'm able to do it. So you can see it's like if you practice a little bit, you can definitely able to do it. So if you want, you can definitely use the base model from ZBrush. Like you can use not this one project, like this one or this one, you can definitely use that. That's like completely fine. There is no problem using a base model, because that's absolutely acceptable in industry. Entire industry works on base model, so it's completely fine. You can use this, and top of that you can build it. But if you want to learn it from scratch, I'll recommend you do it from Sphere, what I did right just now. So use this process, because if you learn this process, how to create any shape from a sphere, box, cylinder, anything, then you will be able to sculpt any kind of shape, like irrespective of the surface or anything, a volume, you will be able to create that thing, because you will develop that understanding. Okay, this is a sphere, so how to block it out, how to create that volume. So you develop that better understanding. So I'll personally, like I'll recommend, if you really want to learn or want to be a character artist or something, I recommend you use a sphere and try to create this. Initially it won't work out properly, it will look like alien. Anyways, we're creating an alien, so it will look like alien. And you can choose your own reference, you can create whatever you want, that's absolutely fine. This is not part of your like syllabus. Only that quadruped and biped was a part of a syllabus, so for this you can use any method, any process, doesn't matter. You can use any software, you can use like everything. Okay.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, how will you merge this here? Can you show once?
how
Like,
will I?
you will dynamesh it. First, you will make a copy of your face or
Yeah,
what?
first I merge it. First I merge it, then I'll create a copy. So let's see. So I have highest division. So make sure it's the highest division. Ears, let's see, quite low poly. If I want to make ears, kind of looks nice, so same only. So I'll merge with this. Merge down. Both are merged. What happened? Oh, I guess in ears it was. I guess it was this thing. Split hidden, like dynamic subdivision applied accidentally, I believe. So control D twice. Now merge these two together. Merge down. Yeah, merged. Control shift D, duplicate the model. So this is my model. So now I have to merge it. So shift F, I can see both the things. So what I'll do, I'll go to Z modeler, Z remesher, switch on my keep groups. And now rest everything 5000 is decent enough. Z remesh.
So, क्यों groups चाहिए अपने को?
So that if I want to modify anything in year, that's why I kept it. So
अच्छा, one more thing, when you project it, वो तो line आ जाएगा ना वो बीच में, वो अपने को smooth करना होगा क्या?
कौन सा लाइन आएगा?
वो ear के पास, क्योंकि वो
हाँ
तो
हाँ हाँ, उसको तो स्मूथ करना होगा ना. We have to smooth it.
And so one more question, like for example, if you have a male ka base model, so you mask on top of his chest, and you can make a tank top or a t-shirt, round neck t-shirt. But what if I want, like, if you see Doctor Strange has this cloak, no, वो थोड़ा
क्लॉक. हाँ हाँ.
folded है, वो कैसे बनता है?
तो फोल्ड इसमें फोल्ड बन जाएगा ना इसमें.
Like how to make the collar kind of thing? Collar कैसे बनता है? Basically collar, कोई भी collar t-shirt.
अच्छा, कॉलर यू वांट टू मेक. कॉलर तो बनाना पड़ेगा. सो कॉलर डजंट वर्क लाइक दिस. सो इसमें
हाँ वही, मतलब राउंड नेक टी-शर्ट बन जाएगा, बट हाउ टू मेक द टी-शर्ट, मतलब
I did a mistake here. I forgot to, instead of Dynamesh, I remeshed. Dynamesh.
ठीक है सर, ये तो समझ आ गया. वो टी-शर्ट का अगर आप बता सकते हो तो बता दो.
So just say, suppose I want to add a collar or some the clock or something. Cape is kind of cape. He's wearing a cape, right? So I want to use
तो
that.
पूरा फोल्डेड बाहर निकला हुआ.
So उसके लिए I can. So sorry, not this one. Delete. I'll append a plane here. So let's see. अच्छा, that collar you talking about, right? So उसके लिए मैं ये नहीं रखूँगा.
Yeah.
हाँ. So I'll append a cylinder instead of this.
So this is just for the collar. बाकी टी-शर्ट नॉर्मली वैसे ही बनेगा क्या?
One by one.
हाँ?
One part at a time बनेगा.
No, I'm just asking कि like the normal t-shirt we will make by using the masking method, and this is just for collar.
It's just for
Separately we have
collar
to make.
separately, like shirt also. Like if you have shirt, so in that shirt you have to create the entire shirt except the collar, and then like sculpt the collar separately, or easiest part, create the basic model of collar in Maya or Max and bring it here and place it there. Easiest way.
And then we have to dynamesh it, merge this or what?
Yes, we have to dynamic and merge this. Let's see. अभी मेरा this thing is, this is my that clock wala part. So not this one. Lasso. Like half part. So half is gone. Half is gone. Then I'll go to here. Modify topology. Delete hidden. It's gone. It's gone. And now close hole. Isolate the model and Control Shift D. Both are visible. Live Boolean. and Boolean, make Boolean mesh. Let's say delete these two, append. Symmetry. Like you have to think about how that part is constructed, like collar उसका tailoring कैसा हुआ है. So that is something you have to think. And then we have this fold. So if I want, I can definitely use Dynamesh here. Dynamesh and Control W, no polygroups. Shift F, DCB. If I try to sculpt anything, it will be this other side also. So I'll go to brush, modify, sorry, not auto masking, and switch on backface masking.
So for folds in the cloth, do you usually use standard brush or you use any cloth brushes?
For like if it's a like bold folds, I'll use standard brush or normal clay buildup. Or if it's like fine details, like small those stitches, those small wrinkles and all, I use Dynamics for that. I should have extruded it only directly. Like सीधा extrude करके would have been much easier.
So let's say like you're done with the collar, how will you merge it with the normal t-shirt? वो Dynamics से हो जाएगा merge.
बिल्कुल Dynamics से कुछ भी merge हो जाएगा. Everything will merge.
तो वो thickness and all वो एकदम exact होना चाहिए ना. मतलब जो पतला है जितना ही कॉलर उतना ही पतला आपका टी-शर्ट भी होना चाहिए.
हाँ तो वो करना पड़ेगा ना. अभी I can see my collar is very thick, so I have to reduce it this thickness. वो करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे भी जितना दिख नहीं रहा तो we can just push it inside. This is my flatten trim Dynamics or trim adaptive. Oh, too strong.
सर वो थिकनेस वाला ऑप्शन कहाँ पे था?
Thickness, like to create thickness.
Yes, yes.
Edge loop and have a thickness. Panel loops
Oh,
click करना हो जाएगा.
okay, sir.
क्या होता है सर इसमें, मुझे नहीं पता.
इससे अगर suppose you have single sided geometry like shell modifier you
अच्छा
understand
अच्छा
right?
अच्छा, समझ गया समझ गया. एक्सट्रूड बड़ा. अच्छा,
this is basically shell
मतलब it
modifier.
is only for plane, right?
like single sided things.
ओके. अच्छा सर, हम लोग एक तो इसमें वो ब्रश है ना, वो स्नैप वाला ब्रश,
Snap
उससे हम
वाला
लोग गला में पूरा रैप कर सकते हैं ना.
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, उससे ही बन जाएगा बहुत इजीली.
हाँ, और फिर ये पैनल लूप करके वो कर लो, थिकनेस
हाँ
बढ़ा दो.
थिकनेस बढ़ा लो या फिर उसको एक्सट्रूड कर लो आइलैंड करके, तो कॉलर बन जाएगा. फिर स्कल्प्ट ही तो करना है इसको. ये तो एक
या
हाँ, अभी अभी टाई बना दूंगा तो डेविल बन जाएगा ये.
या ओके.
So like this we can fix as I was doing dynamics or something. This is Dynamesh model. So and this is my actual model. So Dynamesh have to do control Dynamesh or Dynamesh it. So now I'll just what we'll do is I'll just simply remesh this thing again so that I can work on this model. The groups, if I want to keep, I can keep it, or if I remove it, I can remove it also. So I prefer to keep it because it's become easy. If I want to modify something, like I can isolate the ear very easily and fix things. So all loops are easy, quite nice. And now I'll go on this, Control D, subdivide, project all. Control D, project all. Control D one more time, again project all.
So for example, you are in a game, okay, and you have a statue that is not movable, obviously. So can we use like a decimated model there?
Decimated models are not acceptable. We can definitely use remeshed model. Z-remesh mesh model.
तो फिर तो वो तो नॉर्मल ही हो,
remesh
नॉर्मल ही हो गया ना.
हाँ तो नॉर्मल हो गया, बट लाइक उससे एटलीस्ट it's highly optimized and squad. You can unwrap it nicely. Decimated model you cannot unwrap properly. It will you will have a face a lot of problem. So that's why remeshed model still we can use, but like decimated models, yes, decimated model sometime like suppose production, like it's specifically for production movies and all. You have a stone or rock or something. In that case, we can use it. Okay, ये हो गया, and delete this one. And I'm see my topology is kind of way better. I have separation, and now I can clean everything nicely. And you see, like it's basic shape. It's still like I just blocked it out, so it's still not 100% correct. But at least you can see my basic shapes like nose, ear, ellipse, everything in place. So it's like kind of. You can do it quite easily. Side angle, I can see it's correct only. So we can do it really fast, and we'll add all the skin detail, everything with displacement maps and all, generate everything, and then we'll use displacement map for this render. So before that, I'll fix all this thing.
Sir, I've seen like people who do portraits, right? वो लोग एक-एक करके like they put pores.
Yes. हाँ.
एक-एक करके.
तो उतना डिटेल like see अभी right now this is around 8,52,000. So their head is around 30-40 million. Then only you can do it. So we won't be able to go to 30-40 million, but around 7-8 million will go, and add maximum detail possible. We'll add everything and make it nice.
Okay.
वो कर सकते, don't worry, वो कर सकते, completely कर सकते, कोई issue नहीं है उसमें. Process is exactly the same. So because when you have suppose you're creating portraits, and portrait case or like is special likeliness, like it should look like that character. So that time you have to match everything.
Mhm.
If there is a scratch, there is a wrinkle, anything, you cannot use generic. So here I can use generic texture, right? For those character, I cannot use generic texture. Yes, I can use a generic base, but top of it, I have to match everything. So that's a lot of manual labor. So usually characters and portraits are manual task only. There is no shortcuts.
Sir, like the models you have made, have you ever used XGen? वो XGen तक जा पाएंगे अपने, इतना टाइम बचा है?
We'll try.
एक वो छोटा जो फेस में है जाता है, वो भी काम आता है ना?
हाँ, तो वो भी जनरेट करते हैं. So okay, if you want to XGen, I could have create some like female head or something. So इसमें we can use. Okay, इसमें भी I'll add some hair and we generate that.
Sir, on this you can show XGen with fuzz map, right?
We can do that. No problem.
What?
That's that fuzzy, that small tiny hair now, that thing. Okay, we'll do that. So like you can use your own reference, and this is not mandatory for everybody. Like only you have to create your like biped and quadruped. That is like mandatory, otherwise you'll fail. So please do not fail. And by Thursday, please submit, even if it's WIP, it's okay, still okay, submit something. So okay, and this is something your personal. So but this is like out of syllabus. So we're doing, so this is here, whatever you want you can do, whatever you ask, I'll do that, I'll create that. Okay.
So till when do you have class for us?
I guess maybe end of this month, I believe.
Oh, time है फिर तो.
हाँ, time है. So you can अगर उससे पहले तुम्हारा एग्जाम स्टार्ट नहीं होता है तो before वही ना एग्जाम, because before exam we have to stop anyways. So जब भी एग्जाम होगा उससे पहले we'll stop it. Okay, then I'll see you. Sir, आपकी recording start हो गई. हाँ, मैं आज ये सारा recording में I'll copy it and upload it.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.